Got a cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things where you love to make in the kitchen. All of the man them in this whole entire world. May I go straight to the man them now. Is the man them we are go to straight right now. Ladies, you can also drink it also, but I'm gonna go straight to the man them. Alright, if you're a man and you're at home and you know what I mean, you feel for a different kind of drink or something. We're not talking about no punch or no energy drink or nothing. I'm giving you a drink to build up your immune system and strengthen up your immune system and cleanse out your body and detoxing out your body, wash out everything from out inside of you and make you fresh new brand like when you change your car oil. Alright, don't go anywhere, stick a pin. We have I have garlic here, and I have a bottle of water, and I have ginger, and I have this yellow thing. Turmeric, or whatever they want to call it. I will get the right name for you guys. Don't worry yourself. Alright? And I'm going to give you a drink. You're going to put those 3 ingredients into a bottle of water and leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, you drink it. And all of the men them in this whole entire world, I'm going on straight to you guys. Alright? Don't go anywhere. Alright, so you're gonna drink this for after 3 days, you drink it. Don't drink it the next day. You have to leave it for 3 days into the bottle for it to soak. Alright, once 3 days come, you drink it. Alright, drink it before you go to your bed. Alright guys, I'm telling you, drink this one before you go to your bed. Alright, and you will see exactly what this drink is all about. Alright, please don't get mad in the kitchen or in the house, you know what I mean? Just keep yourself calm down and, you know what I mean, drink this one before you go to your bed. Alright? So if you make 3 bottles, yeah, you can make 3 bottles and drink it, 1 in the morning, and 1 in the evening, and 1 the next morning. But be careful, alright? Because it's a dangerous drink, guys, honestly. Anyway, I'm gonna be showing you exactly what you must do with this drink at home. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And this drink is not a normal drink for every man, which I'm talking about right now. Yeah? This one name to build up your immune system, strengthen your immune system, and detoxing out your body, and cleanse out your body, and wash out your body, and build up inside back of your immune system. Alright, just like when you change your engine, your oil out of your car start to run nice. I saw your body gonna come. Stick a pin, don't go anywhere and watch this video from Chef Ricardo and the team. Tell a friend, tell him. Nice, I love the guys. So basically, as I said before, right here I have some turmeric right here, which I'm going to be using. Here it is, turmeric, alright? And some fresh ginger. I'm using the fresh one. This is the powder one that you can get in the supermarket or the shop, but we're not going to be using this one, alright? We're going to put that one side, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do in your kitchen at home. Make sure you put on some gloves, because you don't want to get yourself red up, you know? Yeah. So basically, this is some water. Alright, so basically this is the garlic. Alright, and all you're going to do is put 1, 2 cloves of garlic in each of the water. Get a piece of ginger. And just remove the skin from the ginger. And just cut some pieces and put it in straight inside of the water. Alright, you see this a drink here is for the man them. No ladies not supposed to drink this. Ladies, if you want to drink this, give it a try, but you know it's mostly for the man them. Alright, now this is the turmeric which we're going to be using, and this is a fresh one I'm gonna use. So basically I'm gonna simply remove the skin from it, alright? Alright. So I'm just using, I'm gonna put 3 pieces in the water and 3 pieces in the water like this. Alright, remember I told you wear gloves because you don't want to mess up your hand. Alright, so I still got piece more left, which I'm gonna be using for cooking, and I will show you some more stuff where we can do with it. Alright guys, so basically I might have said, Chef Ricardo, that this tool look too easy. But this is for the man then, not for the ladies then, alright? We don't want to put nobody into the trouble. If you're allergic to any of these ingredients, please do not use it. Alright, these two is for me. Alright? Do not put them in your fridge. Alright, here it is. Right here, guy, with some garlic. Alright, we're not gonna use this one. This one is not the right one to use. We're talking about those right there. Anyway, with this drink is a drink where only a man can have it. Ladies cannot have this drink because it's a very dangerous drink. Alright, we don't want to put anybody into no trouble, no problem. And that's why I'm saying if you're allergic to any of none of these ingredients like the garlic, if you're allergic to water, right here, if you're allergic to water, you cannot use it. Alright? If you're allergic to garlic, you cannot use it. If you're allergic to the ginger, you cannot use it. If you're allergic to the turmeric, you cannot use it, guys. So basically, if you're not allergic to none of those ingredients, you are good to go. Alright? But this drink is just for the man then. Alright? Guys, I'm telling you, I want you guys to just give it a try, give it a go. Leave this in your kitchen, right in the kitchen at the counter or somewhere for 3 days. Do not drink it until 3 days time. Alright? 3 days time I will be doing the video of this 2 same bottle. So today is Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're gonna be drinking one of this Wednesday. So Wednesday coming, look for the next video, which I'm going to be doing it, telling you I drink it. Alright? And then as I say, you can drink one in the morning. In the morning when you wake up and you feel thirsty and all them things there. But it's better for you to drink it when you're going to your bed at night. Alright? Or if you wake up early in the morning, you can drink one early in the morning on an empty stomach. So just leave, as I said, 2 cloves of garlic, some ginger, and the turmeric inside of it, and soak that for 3 days and drink it. This is just for the man then. Ladies, we're coming up with another drink for you, so look forward for that one. That one is gonna be a different kind of drink for you. Alright guys, do some research for yourself and you can see exactly what I'm talking about with the benefit and the health benefit of these 3 ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I'm always giving you the best recipe in this whole entire world. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more good recipe and good ideas for you guys. Bye-bye.